Hello, Huyen. Good morning. Okay, Huyen. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, did you see me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we have here our topic is okay, we have here.
Yes.
Okay, look at the words. We are talking now about birthday. Okay? So when we say birthday, we have birthday cake. Oh, you know that?
Yes.
And we have party. And we have present.
Present.
Yeah. So when look at this one, when you are going to have a party, I mean a birthday, you will be having a cake. You will have a party and you will have a present. Do you understand these words, Huyen?
Yes.
Okay, so another thing. Another thing, Huyen, is look at this one. These are the words. Year. You know what is year? Like 2015. What year are we now? We are on 2000.
Happy birthday.
2020. Now, you know the word give. I will give you something. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Now, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Huyen. Like I will say, happy birthday. Okay. Do you understand this, Huyen?
Yes.
Okay. Now, first, can you give me a sentence using present? Present. Can you give me a sentence using present?
Present.
Yeah. Can you give me a sentence using the word present? Okay, what is that?
Yeah.
Okay, give me the word or give me a sentence using the word present.
Present.
Yeah, okay, I will give one first. Okay, I will give an example. Okay, after that, you give your own example. I will, okay, for a while. I will give present to Huyen tomorrow. Okay, like that. I will give a present
to Huyen tomorrow.
for Huyen tomorrow. Okay, give me an example of a sentence using the word present.
I will with a present for Huyen tomorrow.
Okay, your sentence. Give me your sentence, your own sentence. Make a sentence using the word present. Or, Huyen, give me a sentence using the word party. This one, party.
Party.
Yeah, okay. Okay, can you give me a sentence using the word party? Oh, you make your own sentence using party. Go, Huyen. Okay.
Party.
Party. You know what is party? You know the word party?
Yes.
Okay, give me a sentence now. Make a sentence using the word party. Like teacher Ann, using the word present, I say, I will give a present for Huyen tomorrow. Now, you make your own sentence using the word party. Go, Huyen.
Wait.
Okay, any word, any sentence. Make sentence using party. You use the party. Go.
Party.
Yeah, party. You make like what teacher Ann did. Look at teacher Ann. Teacher Ann make this. You make your own using party.
They are party.
They are?
Party.
They attend.
Party.
They attend a party. Okay. Or look at this one. They will attend a party tomorrow. Look at this, Huyen. Look at this. I make a sentence using the word party. Look at this one. This word is party. Attend party. Like, they will attend a party tomorrow. They will attend a party tomorrow. Party.
They will attend a party tomorrow.
Oh, they will attend a party tomorrow. Okay, so party.
Party.
Okay, another one. Look at this one. Yan. How about birthday cake? Can you make sentence using birthday cake? or a cake?
Cake.
Okay, make sentence using cake.
I eat birthday cake tomorrow.
I ate birthday cake tomorrow. Wow, very good. I will eat. You will say, I will eat a birthday cake tomorrow. I will eat a birthday cake tomorrow. Okay, very good. Oh, yay! Good job, Huyen. Next one here. Okay, next one here. Okay, look at this one. I told you 2017 is a year. Give, this is a verb. I will give something. I will give someone. Okay, I will give something to someone. That's verb. When we say give, it's a verb. Okay, another. Happy birthday. That's a greeting. So when I say, happy birthday, Huyen. Oh, that's a greeting. Okay. Okay, look at this one. Okay. Okay, look at this one. Can you see this? Okay, for a while, Huyen, for a while. Okay, so look at this one. Okay, can you see that? You will have to listen carefully. Okay, after that, you will have to answer the questions. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, listen.
32A. Happy birthday. Listen and look. There is one example.
Can you see the balloon in the tree?
Yes, I can.
Color it blue.
A blue balloon in the tree?
That's right.
Can you see the blue balloon in the tree? This is an example. Now you listen and color. 1.
Look at the balloon under the table.
Can I color it?
Yes, color it orange.
Okay. Now there's an orange balloon under the table.
2.
Find the balloon on the girl's t-shirt.
Sorry, which balloon?
The one on the girl's t-shirt.
Oh, yes. I can see it now. Can I color it green?
Green? Okay.
3.
Now, look at that boy with the balloon.
I can see him. He's wearing a yellow shirt.
Yes, he is. Color that balloon red.
Red. Great! I love that color.
4.
And can you see the birthday girl's hat?
Yes. That hat has got a balloon on it too.
I know. Color that balloon yellow.
Okay. Yellow's my favorite color.
5.
And there's a balloon on the wall.
Oh, yes. It's really big.
Yes, it is. Color that balloon pink, please.
Pink. Okay. I'm doing that now.
Huyen, do you know how to color?
No.
Okay. So now let us have this. Okay, wow. It seems the party is very nice. Now, where are the children? Did you hear what is in the video, in the audio? Did you hear it?
In the
Did
garden.
you listen? Did you listen? It's in the garden. How many children can you see, Huyen?
There are 6 children.
There are 6. There are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7. Ah, this is the mom. Okay. Whose birthday is it?
And
Whose birthday is it?
it's the girls.
Okay, whose birthday is it?
Mom.
Mom. Okay, this is the mom. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 children in the birthday. How many balloons can you see, Huyen? How many balloons can you see?
There are 7.
There are?
7.
Oh, where's that? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 balloons? Only 6 balloons?
8.
6 balloons? Only 6 balloons? Only 6 balloons?
Only 6.
Only you can you count them on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons only. There are 6 balloons. Right? Can you count the balloons?
Yes.
Yeah, there are 6. Where's the blue balloon? Where's the blue balloon?
It's on the ground.
It's on the?
Ground.
It's on the tree. It's above the girl. Look at this one, right? Right, Huyen?
Yes.
Okay. Ah, there are 7 balloons because there's still balloons here. Look at the small one. Yeah, there are 7. Okay, you're right, Huyen. Very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons. Oh, the small balloons is here. It's in the t-shirt. Okay, here. Oh, what about color? Oh, pink balloons. Okay, the balloons, they have different colors. Okay, now, which of the balloons did you not color? Huyen, which of the balloons which don't have color? Which balloons? Can you see the balloons that don't have color? Can you see that?
Under the boy.
Oh yeah, it's on the boy. This one. Okay. Oh, which of your colors did you not use? Brown, gray, purple, or black? Which color you did not use? Purple?
Yes.
Okay, which color? You pick color. Brown, gray, purple, or black?
Black.
Okay, which color?
Green.
Okay, green.
Green.
Yeah, what color? Choose a color for that balloon now. Now, If I will let
White.
you, oh, white, it's white. If I will let you choose color, what color you will going to color for this balloon? This one, this white balloon don't have color. So what color do you want to put? You pick your color. What color do you want? What color? You want?
Right.
Oh, you want a gray.
White.
You want white or gray?
Gray.
Gray. Oh, you want gray color. You want gray balloons. Okay, here. Okay, look at this one, Huyen. I'm a balloon in this picture. I'm a balloon in this picture. Which balloon I am? Okay, look at this one. I'm a balloon in this picture. Which balloon am I? Ask me questions. Are you in the blank place? Okay, look at this one. Now, lesson here, Huyen. Lesson and draw the lines. Okay, look at here. Okay, look at that one. Which is the cake?
Put the cake on the table.
Put the cake on the table. Table. Ball. Huyen, repeat after teacher. Table.
Table.
Table. Ball. Huyen.
Table.
L.
L.
Okay. Table.
Table.
Very good. Okay. Put the cake on the table. So this cake, we will put it here on the table. Next, which is the horse?
Put the horse next to the small table.
You will put the horse here. Here. You will put the horse here. Next to the small table. Which is the jacket?
Put the jacket on woman.
Okay. You will put the jacket on the woman. The mom birthday. Yes. Now, look at this one. What is this?
This is a cake.
It's a cake, Teacher Anne. Do you like cake, Huyen?
Yes,
Of course.
I do.
Yes, I do, teacher. What do you eat for lunch?
I eat beans, chicken, and rice.
Okay, chicken, carrots, and rice. Okay, you like chicken? That's your favorite. I know. You like chicken, right? You like
Yes.
chicken? Yes, of course, teacher. And I love chicken. Chickens. Okay, next. What is this, Huyen?
This is a jacket. It's a jacket.
It's a jacket. Oh, it's a jacket. Have you got a jacket?
Yes,
Of course, you have many. Yeah, you have many. What clothes are you wearing? Yeah, you're wearing jacket. What clothes are you wearing?
It's red, black, and white.
Oh, yeah. What is this?
Red, black, and white.
Can you ride a horse?
No. No, I can't.
You know, what's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is monkey.
It's monkey. Yeah, yes. Oh, this. Now look at this, Huyen. What's this? Teacher, look at the picture. You have pictures here. Okay. And then read and write. It's here. It's a puzzle. Okay. Now you can see and put. Okay. You're going. Do you have paper? Paper. Where's your paper? You get paper. You don't have paper? No paper, Huyen?
Yes.
Okay, so what you're going to do now, you don't have paper in your house?
Yes.
Why? Where's your paper? Okay, look at here. You can see food and drink on this. What's that? Examples, teacher. Okay, for a while, I have here some hint. Okay, what is number 1? It's a table. Okay, it's a table. Now, how about number 2? Can you answer number 2?
There are 4 or 10. They are standing.
Okay, number 1, you can see food and drink on this. That's table is the answer. Number 2, there are 4 of them. They are standing. They are standing.
Standing.
They are standing.
Where?
Okay. Next.
Where?
Oh, they are girls. Number 3. The people are in the blank. Where are the people?
House.
Okay.
House.
It's a garden. They are in the garden, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is behind the people and it's big. It's tree. It's the tree. Can you see the picture? There's a tree. Number 5. Can you read it, Huyen?
This is closest. It part of house.
Okay, this is closed. It's part of the house. What do you think is the answer?
Trees.
Window. It's a window. It's part of the house. It's window. Okay. Next, one boy has balloon in his. Where's the balloon of the boy?
Hand.
It's in the hand. Very good. Next, number 7, Huyen.
There are 2 of them. They are the boy.
Boys. The woman and one girl are holding this in their hands. The woman and the boy standing this on their hand. What is that?
A woman, one on girl, holding this in hand.
Yeah, okay. The woman and one girl are holding this in their hands. What's that? Cups. It's the cups. You know what is cups?
Yes.
Cups. You know what is cups? Yeah, they're holding. They're holding the cups. Okay. The birthday girl is wearing this on her head. What the birthday girl will wear? A hat. Yeah. And these are on the people's feet. These are on the people's feet.
The birthday girl wearing on the hat.
Okay, hat. It's the Shoes. Huyen.
Shoes.
These are on people's feet. It's a shoes. Yeah. You will wear a shoes. Okay? Okay. Huyen,
Okay.
for a while, Huyen, I need to go to the bathroom for a while. Okay?
Birthday cake. Birthday cake. Okay.
Is going to the bathroom. I'm peeing. Okay. These are on the people's feet. It's a shoes because you need to wear something on your feet, right? Oh,
Yes.
it's on a shoes. Yes. Okay. So now, next is teacher. Okay, here. Okay, look at this one. Birthday cake. Okay, another
Birthday
is,
cake.
yeah, look at this one. It's a birthday cake. Yeah, it's birthday cake. Okay. What color is your birthday cake, Huyen? What is the color of your birthday cake? Color? What's the color of your birthday cake? What color is that? It's color?
White.
It's white. What else?
Red.
Red. Oh, white and red. Now I have questions. Which two words can you read now? Which two words can you read now? Which two words? Birthday?
Birthday cake.
The two words that we can read, Huyen, is birthday cake. Yay! Okay, another. Okay, look at this one. Okay, look at this one. What is in the present? What do you
Present.
think is in the present? This one, in the present. What do you think is that? Can you guess, Huyen? Can you tell me? What is that? What is in the present?
Cake.
A cake? Oh, a cake in the present here? Are you sure it's a cake in the present? What is that? Is it a blank? Is it some blank?
Is mother.
Wow, what's that? What's that in the present, Huyen? Can you guess? Is it a dog? It's a watch? A clothes? What do you think is that in the present? What's that?
Shoes.
Shoes? Oh, let's see. Is it a computer game?
Oh, computer.
It's a computer? Okay. Is it? Okay. Look at the picture and write the word. Maybe it's a computer game. There's a computer game in here. Okay. Now, look at this one. Okay. Can you tell me what words are this? Okay. Number one is skirt. How about this one? What is this?
Camera.
It's camera. Very good. Next, what is this?
Ice cream.
Ice cream, teacher. What's this? What is this? This is a
Shirt.
It's a clothes.
Clothes.
Okay, it's a clothes. Okay, next, what is this?
Ball. Basketball.
It's a
Basketball.
basketball. Yeah, it's a basketball. Okay, what can you wear? Okay, Huyen, how about you? What can you wear? What can you wear and what can you eat?
I wear t-shirt and jeans.
Ah, it's t-shirt and jeans. What can you eat?
I eat bread.
You eat what?
Bread.
Okay. What can you play?
I can play badminton.
Badminton, very good. Yay. Huyen can play badminton. Huyen can eat. What do you want to eat? Chicken? And Huyen can wear jeans and t-shirts. Yes, Huyen, very good, teacher Ann. Okay, what can you ride, Huyen? I can
ride a bike.
Okay, example, I am asking you. This is the pattern for the verb. What can you blank? Okay, look at this. Okay, teacher. What can you and the verb here? Okay, here, what can you, the ride is the verb. Look at Huyen. Ride is the verb. What can you plus the verb? What can you ride? So ride, the word ride is the verb. The word ride is the verb. Okay. I can ride a bike.
I can ride a bike.
Okay. Okay, here, I can ride the bike. Next.
I can ride the bike.
What can you eat? Again, response, I can
eat chicken.
Chicken, very good. Yay. What can you open and close?
Open and close door.
Yeah, very good. I can open and close the door. Again, what can you open and close? I can
open and close.
I can open and close. I can open and close. What, Huyen?
Cupboard.
Cupboard.
Or cupboards.
Yeah, computer. You can open and close the computer. Shut down the computer. What can you wear?
I can wear is.
I can wear
t-shirt and skirt.
Okay, I can wear a t-shirt and a skirt. Very good. Yeah, I will erase this first. Very good, Huyen. Good job. Good job, Huyen girl. Okay, here for a while. Okay, here. Next. Okay, look at this one. Read about Sam and Jill and write the words from the letter A. Okay, this is, Huyen, this is Sam. It's his birthday. Okay. Can you read this one? Can you read this, Huyen? Hi.
I like taking photos. For my birthday, I'd like a new picture. Please. For my party, I'd like to go to the park in the afternoon and play basketball.
Okay.
Can my friend come and have supper in the evening time?
Okay, it's supper. Supper.
Supper.
Okay. For my birthday, I'd like a new what?
New camera.
A camera. And then for my party, I'd like to go to the park in the afternoon and play basketball. Very good, Huyen. Do you understand this, Huyen? You understand this?
Yes.
Of course, teacher. Now, okay, this one. This is Jill. It's her birthday next week. Okay, can you tell me? Can you read and answer?
Hello, Grandma. Hello, Grandma. I love t-shirts.
Okay. I want
a new red. I want a new red skirt
for my
birthday. This year, I'd like to play game with my friend in our garden. Can we go to the new shop and have some chocolate ice cream, please? Thanks. Yes.
Oh, very good. You answer it very well. Okay. Hello, Grandma. This is Jill, and it's her birthday. Hello, Grandma. I love clothes. I want a new red skirt for my birthday. This year, I'd like to play games with my friends in our garden. Can we go to the new shop and have some chocolate ice cream, please? Thanks. Okay, that's Jill. Okay. So we have here, Huyen, this is the skirt, the camera. Okay, what else? We have here the ice cream and the clothes and the basketball. Okay, so I will giving you a letter assignment. Write a letter about your wish on your birthday. What do you want? What do you wish in your birthday? What do you want in your birthday? You want what do you want?
24th of March.
Oh, on March 24. What do you want for your birthday? Do you want a present, a gift? What do you like? You like a clothes? You like a camera? You like a doll? What?
I like books.
I like
English book.
Oh, you will write in your wish. I will give this assignment to you. In your wish, you will write a book. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, for now, Huyen, teacher will say, goodbye, Huyen girl.
Goodbye, teacher.
See you
on Thursday.
Very good. Bye-bye. Goodbye, Huyen. See you. Okay.
See you.
Okay, bye-bye.